Guys, next you want to take the battery out. So you use a 10mm socket. There's a shorter socket, or also you need a deeper socket because you take out the bracket to take out the battery. Okay, take out the negative terminal first. There, loose. Good. And just pull it off. Okay, once you take out the negative, go with the positive one. And make sure you don't put touch negative and positive together, please. You get electrocuted or shock. This is the positive one. Still 10mm. That's it for that. And just wiggle it and pull it out. So once I remove the negative and the positive connection, I go take out the bracket, which is holding the battery in place, with a deep socket. There's two of them there. There's the second one. There you go. So when it's loosened, you just take off just use the socket only. Try to take it out. Make it a little easier for you. It's the third nut, you gotta take it out. It's loose. Here's the fourth nut, you gotta take it out to remove the battery. So it's loose. Use the thing only. Deep socket. We'll take out the screws, the last screws here. And just take the bracket off. And then this bracket is on top. There you go. Want the bracket out, just pull the battery out. That's all you have to do. Wiggle a little bit and just lift it up. Woo, heavy.